You cannot lose weight by eating less. And as a matter of fact, restricting calories actually works to make us hungrier, and it also slows down our metabolism because our body is fighting back, trying to prevent us from starving. If you've struggled with losing weight, if you've struggled with maintaining weight, even if you never have, but you're at a point in your life where you're gaining weight a little more easily, this is going to be of interest to you. Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. If that caught your attention, you're not alone because it caught mine too. The old adage of eat less, move more is not only completely wrong, but it's almost at the crux of why so many people struggle with weight loss or weight maintenance. If you watch any of my other videos on diet and fitness and eating, you'll see a very common thread. And the common thread has always been, I don't eat a lot of carbohydrates, specifically because they make me gain weight and they don't work with my body. Okay, well, clearly a lot of people fall into the same bucket because that is what this study is about. This new study on a low carbohydrate diet is the groundbreaking study headed by Dr. David Ludwig, the professor of nutrition at the Harvard School of Public Health. What the study indicates is that eating a low carbohydrate diet is not only highly effective, it's sustainable. When people get the diet right by limiting carbs, eating a moderate amount of protein, and embracing fat, they feel naturally full and restrict calories without having to count them. Okay, y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that below. Brand new content every Tuesday and Friday for style, wellness, and beauty for women 40 and over. According to the CDC, 40% of Americans are obese, not just overweight, obese. So if the mantra of eat less, move more worked and worked sustainably over your lifetime, we wouldn't have the problem and the issues that we have today. So the whole idea of calorie restriction, it gets really frustrating to people, and I can understand why. You feel that you are doing everything that you're supposed to. You're getting to the gym, you're exercising, you're eating less, and yes, you may lose weight for a little while, but it isn't sustainable. You can't starve yourself and be hungry all the time on an ongoing basis. That is why so many people gain all of the weight back. When you live on a low carbohydrate diet, your body gets really good at burning fat. Why? Because it no longer has a lot of sugar, carbohydrates into sugar, to eat first for fuel. So it goes straight to the body fat. That's what limiting the carbohydrates do. Okay, so what is a low carbohydrate diet? There are different parameters depending on your body type, and you should always talk to your own nutritionist or healthcare professional to find out what is best for you. I personally have always limited my carbohydrates to 2 servings of carbs per day. The magic formula that this study came up with is a diet of moderate clean protein, a good amount of healthy fats, which means avocado, nuts, and low carbohydrates. What does that do for you? A couple things. One, the name of the game is having a sustainable lifestyle. We want to feel that we can enjoy our life, but still look good and not suffer. I don't calorie count. What I look at are the number of carbohydrate servings that I'm having in any given day. And again, I keep mine to no more than 2 per day. I focus mainly on a lot of greens, fresh vegetables. I am vegan, although I have incorporated whitefish back into my diet for healthy protein. Avocado, nuts, seeds, I eat those as I want. What does that do for me? It allows me to maintain the weight and the body fat that I want without suffering. I am rarely, if ever, hungry. And if I am hungry, I eat something. I just keep it to a healthier choice, and I'm always sure to include a good fat. And I feel satiated. Now, this isn't a diet. When I say diet, I mean your style of eating, not restriction and suffering. This is just a very sustainable way of living and eating. Every once in a while, do I go off the wagon and have something that I want? Yes, of course I do. But those times are fairly limited. Here are the key takeaways. Calorie counting, calorie restriction does not work. And when I say it doesn't work, it does not work on a long-term basis. Doing so triggers your body to fight back and to slow down your metabolism so that it doesn't starve. So instead of focusing on calories, on fat, focus instead on your carbohydrate intake. Do not be afraid devoid of fats. You guys, I eat fats all the time, healthy fats. I eat a lot of avocados. I eat a handful of nuts when I feel like it. Chia seeds, hemp seeds. I will use some olive oil when I'm cooking. I do not worry about fat. So I wanted to share that with you. So in case you were like, yeah, well, that's a study, but what does it look like in real life? It has worked for me. Give it a go if you're so interested. I'm going to put the link to the Today Show piece down below so that you can go check it out for yourself. I like this and I love getting away from counting calories and, starving ourselves. Let's just make sensible, sustainable changes so that we can all live long, happy lives and look and feel our absolute best. Okay, y'all, see you in a couple days.